In this video, we need to write a Docker compose file with these specifications, and then we can run a container out of it. So it must be done in app server 2. So we already inside the app server 2 and in this location /apt docker, and then here I already wrote a Docker file for that Docker compose file for it. So here you can write the version. So this is a Docker compose file format version. So you can use 3.8. The services inside the services we write the containers to be run. So I I named a container finance web. Check whether they asked us to create a container named httpd. So the container name should be httpd. So here we defined it. Container name httpd, image httpd latest. This one you can put anything. This is a service name, so just to identify. And then here you can define the port. This is the host port and this is container port, and here we are mapping volumes. Even if container goes down, if you recreate a container with the same mounting point, so the files inside this location, this host location, is going to automatically mount into this part. So this gives us data consistency. So you can copy it, jump back to this folder, and then I'm gonna say, so this file name must be docker-compose.yml. So you can check it now. It's inside this folder. Just make sure. Yeah. Now you can run a container. If you run Docker images, you don't have any images. If you run Docker ps-a, no containers. But once you run Docker compose up -d in detached mode, okay, it says Docker compose command not found. Let's try this Docker space -compose. So it's pulling that image and it's gonna create a container out of it. So it's creating network as well. Yeah, container created. If you run the command docker ps now, you can see httpd container. You can check it here with this image and this port. If you do curl localhost on port 5003, now you can see this default page, this page coming from this location. From here, I'll show you. If I try to create another file, so let me create, for instance, cat madhu.html. If I okay, we have this file here, madhu.html. If I do curl localhost with 5003 port and then madhu.html, now you can say hello world. So that's a benefit of mounting. So if we check the task results now, it's successful. Thank you so much for watching.